When traveling, it's essential to know basic greetings and polite phrases to help you navigate social interactions smoothly. Simple phrases like hello, goodbye, please, and thank you go a long way in showing respect and friendliness. Additionally, learning how to ask, "How are you?" or say, "Excuse me" can make interactions with locals more pleasant and respectful. Knowing how to ask for directions is crucial when traveling. Common phrases such as "Where is the nearest?" or "How do I get to?" will help you navigate cities or public transportation. Also, phrases like "Is it far?" "Is it?" or "Can you show me on the map?" can be useful when you need extra clarification about your route. If you're in a restaurant or café, understanding how to order food or drinks is important. Phrases like "I would like" or "Can I have the menu, please?" can help you communicate your preferences. It's also helpful to know how to ask for the check by saying, "Could I get the bill, please?" to make your dining experience smooth and polite. Lastly, if you encounter issues or need help, it's essential to know how to ask for assistance. You can say, "Can you help me?" or "I don't understand," which can be useful in various situations. Knowing how to say "I need a doctor" or "Where is the embassy?" is also vital in case of emergencies. These basic phrases will help ensure a safer and more comfortable travel experience. Don't forget to subscribe English Planet for more new lessons.